Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to solve this lab. First of all, copy this password, open Cloud Console in private window. Then click on next and paste the password. Click on next. Now wait for a second. Okay. Now simply go to tasks and click on setup and requirement. Scroll down a little bit and just scroll down. Now we have to set our zone. So for that, go to this tab and activate Cloud Shell. Maximize it. And if it show continue option, then click on continue. In my case it's not showing, so I will go ahead. Now wait for connecting, and it's connected. Now simply go to tasks and copy this command and make sure it is in set and requirement section. Set your zone in this. So copy this command and come over here and paste it. Hit enter and click authorize and wait for a second. It's activated and update it. Okay, it's done. Now scroll down and copy this tax one first command and go to cloud shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, done. Now again go to tax 2, copy this command and go to cloud shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, done. Now check my progress for tax 2 and it's done. For task 3, just copy this first command and go to cloud shell and paste it, hit enter. Done. Again, copy this first command, second section and paste it, hit enter. Okay, directory change. Now copy this second command to build. So for that, come over here, paste it, it will set up the dependencies. Okay, and it installing the dependencies microservices. So wait for execution, it will take couple of minutes. Just wait. Okay. And it's done. Now again go to tasks and copy this third command and go to cloud shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Go to tasks, copy this fourth command and come over here, paste it, hit enter. Okay. Now check is output same or not. Yes. So output, now we have to preview this web page. So for that, click on this web preview, click on this and click preview on port 8080. So click on this and it will open a new tab. And now our website is showing fancy store, and you can see. Now again go to tasks and now just simply put tasks for not what to do. Okay, now we have to start up our script. So for that, copy this command and go to cloud shell and now press Ctrl C, then paste the go last copy code. And now what we have to do, we have to open editor. So and then we have to navigate this folder, monolith and microservices, this folder. So for that, click on this open editor pencil icon, click on this and wait for a second to connect. Okay, click on got it and it's connected. Now click on this arrow option, this monolith to microservices, explore this and now click on this startup and startup script sh, this file. Click on this. this startup script sh file, and just we have to paste it in this file. So copy this command and go to this file, and now right click, just click on this, right click and paste, click on allow. Now we have to update our project id. So for that, go to tasks and copy your project id and come over here. Now in this dev shell project id, select this and remove this, and then control v, paste your project id, press control v. Okay, it is look like this. Okay, now what we have to do, our next task we have done, we paste our project id, then we have to save, and then okay. Now for save, just press Ctrl S, or you can click on this three hanger icon and click on File, click on Save. It will auto save option those. So before this, just for sure Ctrl S, and in last it will show LF line sequence, you can see, and then go to task. What is our next task? And close this. Okay, now copy this code and go to this tab. Now click on this open terminal, and it will open in terminal. Then paste the code, hit enter, and now it's copy. Okay, it's done. We have done command 9, and then go to next task and copy the clone into your basket. So copy this code and come over here, paste it and hit enter. Now it's copying file 157. Okay, wait for a second, it will take some of moments. Okay, it's done. Now go to task, check my progress for task 4, and it will complete. Yes, it's done. Now for this one, copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Make sure if you skip any of steps, you can get error. So for this video make some long. So be patient and complete whole process step by step. It's done. Now we have to configure connection to the backend. So for that, copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Now what we have to do, we have to check our IP. Okay. So for that, we have to copy our external IP. Okay. Fine. In this, our external IP is this one. Now copy this and just open a notepad. Okay, now I will paste in this here our external IP. Then what we have to do, in Cloud Shell we have to navigate this page explorer, then React tab, and then nv toggle file. Okay, fine, we have done. Now simply copy this code, Control A, Control C, then go to, now click on this open editor, pencil icon again, and now for this click on this React app, explore this, and now for in this just click on src section. I think in this there will be environment tab, script, uh, check a folder name environment. Okay, let's check. Now click on this file, and in this there will be any section. No. Okay, we check again what we have to do. View, okay, you know. Just click on this three amber icon and click on this view, and now click on this toggle hidden files. Click on this, and now our env file is showing. It is under React tab, under React tab, and then src, then env file name is .env file. Okay, now in this we have to just replace our external IP to localhost. So remove this localhost and paste our external IP in this section. Just replace our external IP, Control V. Okay, now it is look like this after replacing. Now what we have done our tasks. Okay, replace, and then we have to simply save our file and go to again copy this command 7, and then go to here and save it, control S, or you can click on this hammer icon, file, then click on save. Okay, now click on open terminal and paste our last command which we have copied, paste it, hit enter. Now it will take some minutes, wait for execution. Still it's continuing. Now check our next tasks. We have done, we have rebuilt our React app, and then we have to copy our application code into cloud storage bucket. Okay, fine. Okay, it's still running. Wait for execution. And it's done. Now go to tasks and copy this command 8 and come over here, paste it, hit enter. And it's done. Now again go to tasks and we have to deploy our front-end instance. So for that copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now next up, configure our network. Create a firewall. We have to create a firewall rules. So for that copy this command, first command, and then paste it, hit enter, and it's creating firewall. It will take some minutes, so wait for. Yes, it's done. Now copy the second and paste it, hit enter. Done. Now go to tasks and copy this command and then come over here, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now our output is as it is. Now we have to wait three. We have to wait 3 minutes, and it's done. Now go to tasks, and our output is like this. Now we have to wait 3 minutes, minimum 3 minutes, and to check this. So for that, we have put copy this one, this command, copy this, and come over here and go to Notepad and just paste it. And for front end address, just copy. Um, it is for font end, you can see. So copy this font end IP, and what we have to front end address are, okay, we have to copy the external IP of font end. So copy it, and after copy come over here and put it in font end address, control V. Okay, now copy this one, control C. Now open in new tab. Yes, it is opening, and you can see order section. Okay, now for this navigating page, you have to wait minimum 3 minutes to see these pictures. And you can see still not see it showing because we have to wait 3 minutes, and order section are still showing and home section are showing. Okay, now find check my progress. If you check my progress, it is done. Okay, and if you want to see, just wait for 3 minutes to watch these product pictures. Now move ahead. In our next task 5, you have to create manage instance group. And it is have any check my progress. Let's check. Yes, so we have to done all of this. So first copy the first command and then go to cloud shell, paste it, hit enter. It will take couple of minutes, so wait for execution. And in check my progress you can see we have done for up to deploy instance configure network this section. Okay, and now we are in tux 5. So we have executed our first command and then we have to copy this second one to stop backend. Okay, it's still running front end, so wait for. And it's done. Now go to tasks, copy the second one to stop our backend. Now come over here, paste it. Okay, sorry, paste it, hit enter. First one for stop front end and second one for stop backend. Close this because it is not needed. And it's done. Now go to tasks, copy the second command and come over here, paste it, hit enter. Done. Now copy this second one and come over here, paste it, hit enter. Done. Now copy this third command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, done. Our output is like this. Now copy this fourth command and come over here, paste it, hit enter. Now do you want to continue? Type small y or capital Y, anything, hit enter. And it's done. Now we have to create instance group. So for that, copy this command, first command, and then come over here, paste it, hit enter. If some problem, we connect it. What is the issue? Okay, we have some network problem, so we again copy this first command and come over here, paste it, hit enter. Okay, I think it's already done. Okay, copy this second command. Is sometimes cause network issue. And it's done. Now Copy this second one and come over here, paste it, hit enter. And it's done. Now copy the second one, come over here, press Ctrl V, paste it. What is the issue? And copy this again, hit enter. And it's done. Now configure auto healing. So for that is needed check yes. So copy this command. It is in configure auto healing. Okay. So copy this first command and come over here and paste it. Hit enter. It's done. Now copy this second. Go to Cloud Shell. Paste it. Hit enter. And come over here. Copy the second one. Go to Cloud Shell. Paste it. Hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now copy this third command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now copy this third last one, third command, last command, then paste, hit enter. And my PC Cloud Shell now why it's showing I don't know, some problem is showing in this way. So please avoid this and all command are successfully running, you can see. And it's done. Now simply check my progress for task 5 and it's done successfully. For task 6 it is required, now check yes. Now for task 6 we have to create http load balancer. Okay. For that copy this first command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. None. Come over here, copy this second one to Cloud Shell, Control V, hit enter. Again copy this third one, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay. Now copy this second first one, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now again copy this second one, go to Cloud Shell, Control V, hit enter, paste it, hit enter, and then enter. And it's done. Now copy this third one, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Go to Docs, And now we have to copy this third command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. And it's done. Now copy this one and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Just simply paste the all comments step by step. Then go to tasks, copy this one, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, now check how many are there. We have then created. So for that, copy this one, fourth comment, and go to Cloud Shell. Still or previous are not executed. Wait for execution. Now paste last paste the comment, paste it, hit enter, and it's done. Now copy this fifth command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Now go to tasks, copy this sixth command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Go to tasks, copy this seventh command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, sorry, paste it, hit enter. Done. Now simply check my progress for task 6 and it will complete it successfully. Yes, it's done. Now is there required? Yes, more tasks. Now we have to update our configuration. For that, copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, Control V, hit enter. Now again go to tasks, copy this second command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Go to tasks and now we have to just as it is. Okay. EMB public return to Cloud Shell. Now it is example of Shell return EMB file again point to public IP route. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I know what we have to do. Just copy this IP address, copy this IP address, and again go to Open Editor, and then click on this env file, then paste your IP, Control V, and paste Control V. Okay. Now Control S to save. Now click on Open Terminal. Now again go to tasks and copy this fifth command and go to cloud shell, control V, paste it, hit enter. Now wait for execution. And it's done. Now simply go to tasks and copy this sixth command and come over here, paste, control V, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Go to tasks. Now update frontend instance. So for that, copy this command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Go to tasks. Now check my progress. Task 6 is done. Okay. Now simply go to task 7. You have to resize automatically. So for that, copy this first command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. It's done. Go to tasks, copy this second command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. It's done. Now deliver to network. Okay, copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, now go to tasks, check my progress. Okay, successfully completed. Okay, now for task 8 it is required. Now check. Yes, we have to do. Now for task 8, what you have to do, update our website. Okay, so for that, copy this first command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. I know this video is long, but wait, if you want to know all of this, so see this. Now copy this second command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. And if you follow step by step, you can got 100% in this lab. Okay, so copy this third command, paste it, hit enter. Yeah, it's done. Now copy this fourth command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to check the instance which are showing running, which instance status is running and action set is to none, and our instance template name will be like this. We have to select that instance. Okay, and then okay, fine. Then now in this, first our instance is, it is status talking. Okay, and second it is running and its name is fancy2 asn and instance name is this one. Okay, it's match our two goal, running and fancy. And it is, now we have to just copy the machine name, then control C. Okay, now paste, any of section, paste it. Now go to next, and then copy this command 7, and go to notepad and paste it over here, and in VM name just copy our previous machine name which are copied from CloudShell. Copy this, Control X, and paste it over here. Just select this and Control V. Okay. Now replace this in VM name. Now copy this command and go to Cloud Shell and paste it, hit enter. Okay, done. Now copy this command, this first command, and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Again copy this second command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Done. Our output is like this. And now copy this third command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. And it's done. Now go to Tux and copy this fourth command in Tux 8. Go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. And again go to Tux and now copy this command. We have to push change in rolling replacement. So for that, copy this command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay, it's done. Now simply check my progress for this task and it will complete successfully. Now check points for all tasks. Yes, we got 100 out of 100, you can see. So we solved this lab. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you in next video. Still then, tada, bye bye.